Let's take it back to daytime, folks, and check out what else we can do with this space. All right, now, here's what we're going to do. We can slide that sofa/bed right over to the side. Why? To make room, baby. That kitchen needs some breathing space. You see that countertop sitting all lonely on the opposite wall. We're going to stretch that bad boy out and bring it together with the kitchen set, make it one big happy family. And while we're at it, let's throw in a dining table because, come on, we got to eat somewhere, right? Now, if we take out that desk, just move it out, we can shift the TV right in front of the sofa. Now we're talking. But hold on, there's more. If you're someone who doesn't want to sleep, I know y'all out there, we're adding more storage. That's right, more places to put stuff you probably don't need but won't throw away. Now, let's get real. Right next to that dining table, we're going to swap the sofa with a brand new TV unit. And now that we've freed up some storage, guess what? We're placing the sofa right in front of the TV. And remember that old storage area? Well, that's where we're going to put your desk now. Everything's falling into place. Here you go, folks. Now you got yourself a whole new look. And listen, if you want to explore more ideas like this, head on over to Arcbazar and start your own design contest. You ready? Let's go.